In this video, I will show you how to get a job at Target. So first of all, open up any browser and then just type in Target and then jobs. And once you do that, you need to click on jobs at Target at the top, the first and most popular result. And here you can just search for a job title, skill or keyword, or you can enter a city. And I'm just going with San Bernardino. And then I'm going to click on search after I have filled this in. And once you do that, you will get all of the jobs based on this city. Right now we see a couple of options. So let's say you're interested in this one, Target Security Specialist. Then what you need to do to apply is just click on this job. And then in here, you will see all of the job details, everything that is included in this job. You can basically go through everything that is written in here. So this way you know exactly what you need to do in this job. And if you're interested and want to apply, you're simply going to click on apply in here. And once you do that, you can select to autofill with resume, apply manually, or use your last application, or you can just apply with LinkedIn. So go ahead and select the option that you like. And if you do it manually, then it's really important to know that you must be prepared to fill in your CV, your resume, and your motivation letter and your personal information. And then after you have done everything, you will process your application and then it will be reviewed by Target. And then they will let you know if you can get the job. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.